Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about the surprising health benefits of broccoli. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin C and a good source of vitamin A, mainly in the form of beta-carotene. Broccoli also contains folic acid, calcium, and chromium. Broccoli is rich in many plant compounds such as indoles and isothiocyanates, which have been shown to have cancer-fighting properties. Broccoli sprouts are one of the most concentrated sources of an antioxidant called sulforaphane glucosinolate. Below are the health benefits in details. Number 1. For treatment of heart health. Human studies have shown that people with mild to moderate LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and potentially at risk for heart problems, who consumed a beverage containing broccoli and cauliflower juice showed a decrease in LDL levels. Number 2. For treatment of cancer, studies have shown that sulforaphane stopped the growth of breast and prostate cancer cells. Number 3. For treatment of ulcers. Sulforaphane in broccoli may prevent the growth of H.pylori bacteria, often attributed to causing stomach ulcers and other ailments. Even strains of bacteria that have been found resistant to antibiotics were effectively reduced in the presence of broccoli. Number 4. Broccoli is the original detox diet. If you are looking for a whole food that naturally helps eliminate unwanted contaminants from your body, broccoli is the food for you. Glucoraphanin, gluconasturtin, and glucoraphanin are among the many phytonutrients found in broccoli that help detoxify pollutants and increase overall health. Number 5. Broccoli destroys inflammation. Chronic inflammation can sap your energy and lead to chronic diseases such as arthritis. Practically all vegetables help fight inflammation to some extent, but sulforaphane and kaempferol-a, phytonutrient and a flavonoid found in broccoli, are especially potent. Number 6. Broccoli helps you lose weight. Fiber is one of the most valuable and versatile nutrients around. It helps to normalize bowel movements, lower cholesterol levels, control blood sugar, maintain bowel health and aid in achieving a healthy weight. One of the most effects of fiber is that it slows down digestion, which helps you feel full long after you eat. Selection and storage. Look for firm stalks and compact heads that are dark green in color. Place unwashed broccoli in an open bag in the refrigerator or in the crisper drawer. For best taste, use the broccoli within 1 to 2 days of buying. Preparation and serving suggestions. Cooking broccoli may increase its cancer-killing properties. Researchers found that when broccoli was heated, the number of sulforaphanes that fight cancer was enhanced. Eat raw with your favorite dip or in a salad for added flavor. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.